So this next question is a little confusing just because of the wording. It's saying the distance traveled by a car in a given time varies directly with its speed. A car traveled 150 kilometers in 1.5 hours. What is the constant of variation? Now the constant of variation is just telling you what is the constant relationship between these two values, between the 150 kilometers and the 1.5 hours. Make this a little more clear, I'm going to show it to you on a graph. So this is showing us the speed of the car, basically. It's showing how far it's traveling, because it travels 150 kilometers, and it tells us how long it's taken to travel that distance. So we have 150 kilometers, it's gone, and it's taken 1.5 hours. Now to find this constant of variation, what we're finding actually is the slope, the m value. So to do that, we calculate the rise over the run. So it rises 150 kilometers per hour and it runs 1.5 hours. So we represent that as 150 kilometers divided by 1.5 hours. That gives us 100, which is the speed that it's traveling, 100 kilometers per hour. Another way of writing this equation is, or of representing this, is through an equation. So y is the distance traveled, as we see here. X is the amount of time taken. And the constant, what doesn't change, the constant of variation, what doesn't change is the speed, which is 100 kilometers per hour. So if we wanted to find out how far this car would travel in 10 hours, we would just plug in 10 into our equation. We'd say y equals 100 times 10, and it would travel 1,000 kilometers.